စီရဲ့ဟာတော့အိမ်စီကမတရားမှုလို့ပဲမြင်ပါတယ် personal အညို့အတေးထားရလို့ပဲမြင်ပါတယ်
This Golden Lamb Myanmar 2018 ပြိုင်ပွဲကြီးရဲ့ winner ကတော့ Miss Requested Shwe Eain
Greetings from Myanmar. My name is Shwe Eain and I am Miss Golden Lamb Myanmar 2018 and Miss Supranational Myanmar 2018. There's a lot of you out there who don't know me, so I'm here on Missology to answer all of your questions, anything that you want to know about me. So I'll be answering on the page. I have been in this modeling industry for almost 3 years now, and at first I had no intention of getting into pageantry, but then something inside of me changed. You know, modeling is great, you know, you get all the fame, you get the spotlight, but what you don't get is the connection with the people, you know, the connection with what is happening outside of your country. You don't know any of that. So the minute I decided to join this industry, I learned a lot more about myself. I became a great person, I became a better person at heart. And I think that is something, that personal growth itself actually taught me a lot of things as well. So if you want to ask me any questions, you can ask. And မကြားရဘူးလေမကြားရဘူးလေကဲဘယ်လိုလုပ်မလဲကရက်ဒီမှာဂျိတ်ကိုလာပြီးလုပ်ပေးပါလားဂျိတ်ကြီးကအိမ်စီးပောင်ကိုထိုးမိသွားတယ်တရားရောက်ဝင်လာပါမဝင်လာလို့မရပါဘူးhang on a minute I've got some like wardrobe malfunction. So basically, I'm in this outfit today because I've got a shooting. I've got a shooting for Miss Golden Lamb Myanmar official page. There are 5 queens doing the photo shooting all together, which is why I am in these clothes, just in case you were wondering. All right, Javila. Yeah, perfect, okay. Or hopefully you can hear me perfectly now, so we can start over again. So I've been in this industry for 3 years now, doing just straight modeling. And I had no intention of doing anything else whatsoever, but something inside of me encouraged me to compete in pageants and, you know, give it a try and test it out and maybe, you know, give myself a lot of more lessons to learn. So that's exactly what I did. And across along with all these, you know, experiences from pageantry, I learned a lot about myself, and in a good way, mostly in a good way. And I learned to take a lot of feedbacks, whether if it's good or bad, I will be able to respond them in very good manners. So that was it. And what is my strength? What is my strength? Well, I have got a lot of strengths, I suppose. So to pick one certain strength, it would be, I don't tend to care about what other people say about me if they are trying to bash at me or if they are trying to say things in a negative form. If it is something like advice, oh, Shwe, you should do this, you should do that, in a good way, for my own